Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Syakirin bin Sufian Suri and my metric number is CF230112. Uh, I want to talk about introduction. In Malaysia, hot and humid simulate air condition and ventilation system are important for indoor comfort. However, using the wrong system or rely too much on their can lead to high energy use and cost. This project focus on design a suitable cooling and ventilation system for two-story house. It combine activity MVAC system with specific design method to reduce heat and save energy. The goal to provide comfort while promoting green and cost-effective building practice. So the project student will learn how to design a convenient M&E system and understand suitable cooling solution for future building. Next problem statement. In Malaysia, hot and humid climate, most home rely fully on air condition and mechanical ventilation for comfort. However, if these systems are not choice planning properly, they can waste energy and cost more to run. Many modern houses do not use phasing design, which lead to poor cooling and high energy use. To solve the, we need a better approach that combine efficient mechanical system with specific design to save energy and protect the environment. The objective number one to propose a suitable MVAC system for a two-story resident building that is suitable for Malaysia hot and humid climate. Number two to integrate basic design strategy that reduce heat gain and exchange the energy efficient of the building. Number three to minimize energy consumption and operation caused by optimize the selection and design for mechanical ventilation and air condition system. Number four, to promote environmental responsible energy solution that support sustainable living in resident development. And the last one, the enhance student understanding of mechanical and electric coordinate in building system and encourage sustainable design thinking for future practice.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi and very good morning to everyone. Today I will talk about the architecture plan. Before we go through the architecture plans, my group choose the suitable house, which is house double story terrace. Now we talk about the ground floor plan. At the front of in the house, we have a spacious living area with larger windows. These windows have bring in a natural light and promote good ventilation. In the center, we have a dining area which is placed strategically between the kitchen and the living room. This allows for smooth air circulation throughout the home. This kitchen is located at the back corner of the house. This layout keeps heat away from the living spaces and also make it easier to install ventilation system like an exhaust fan. There is also one bedroom and one shared bathroom on the ground floor. Both are placed near the kitchen and the staircase. This arrangement is not only practical but also improve plumbing efficiency by keeping water pipe close together. Lastly, the staircase is centrally located. This giving the building and a balanced layout and make it easy manage electrical and plumbing connection between the ground and first floor. Overall, the ground floor is designed to be functional, well ventilated and energy efficient. Next, we go to the first floor plan. So this plan or level is designed to provide a comfortable and private living space for the family. The master bedroom comes with one bathroom, offering privacy and convenience for the parent. There are also 3 additional bedrooms which can be used for children, guests or study areas. This makes the home flexible for different family needs. In the center of the floor, there is have a family areas atau family hall, which serve as a shared space for everyone to gather and interact. It also with natural ventilation, allowing air to flow easily across the floor. There are two bathrooms on this level. One of them is located directly above bathroom on the ground floor, which is make a plumbing installation easier and more cost effective. Outside, there are spacious balcony that provide shade and fresh air, contributing to natural cooling of the house. The layout also encourages cross ventilation, where windows are placed on opposite wall to let air flow through naturally. This reduced the need for fans or air conditioners. From a mechanical and electrical perspective, the design allows for easy air conditioner installation with flat wall surface and enough space for external condenser unit without blocking walkways. Overall, the first floor plan is a well-balanced, energy efficient and comfortable living space for the entire family.
Mechanical ventilation system. Purpose of mechanical ventilation to remove heat, moisture, and outdoor, especially from enclosed space like bedroom and the kitchen. Exchange indoor air quality and reduce dependency on air condition system. The calculate method, we use the standard formula Q equal and V divide 3600. First mechanical ventilation system is bedroom. Air change per hour and equal 10 ACS. Height 3.5 meter and volume 50.598 meter square. Required volume flow rate Q and V equal 360. And we get 0.043 meter square per second. After that, we need to convert to CFM. So we get 91.11. Second, kitchen. Exchange per hour and equal 20 ACS. Height 3.5 meter and volume we get 160.12 meter square. Required value flow rate Q. We get 0.92 meter square per second and we must to convert to CFM, so we get 1949.37 CFM.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Wan Muhammad Kazri bin Khalizati and my matrix number is CF230012. So I will present about air conditioning system. Like we know, in this generation, every house have their air conditioning system in their house. So before we decide to buy a air conditioning system, we have to know how to calculate BTU value. So what is BTU? BTU stands for British Thermal Unit. So BTU is a unit of energy used to measure heat. So after we calculate BTU value, we know how much heat in certain area or space, and we know how horsepower we need for air conditioning system. So in the slide, we show you the example of calculation for BTU. So like the area is, the length is 3,200 meter equal to 10.5 feet. Width equal to 5 meter, 5,000 meter equal to 16.40 feet, and the room size is 172.2 feet power of 2. So from the table, we can decide, we can see how much BTU value need for this certain space. Okay, that's all. So this is an example to calculate BTU value. So you can see in the slide, example, and after you get the value, you can refer to this table so you can know how horsepower for your aircon conditioner to have. So after we calculate the value, and we get for bedroom one, we have to buy 1 horsepower for this bedroom, and it's same for bedroom two. It's also have to 1.0 horsepower air conditioning. Okay, that's all. So this is example calculation with you for living hall area. So you let me know, living hall is a big space in or anyone house. So it has to need more horsepower. So after we calculate the BT value, we we got that we have to buy 1.5 air conditioning system horsepower. Okay, that's all. Okay, so this is the result for living hall area for BT value, and this is the product we have to buy if the
Okay, hello Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Mirul Ridwan. My matric number CF23008. Okay, I will now present about conclusion part. Okay, to conclude our presentation, this project has shown that combining mechanical ventilation, air conditioning, and passive design can improve indoor comfort while reducing energy use in our building. Okay, like my partner say, by calculating the exact airflow need in space like bedroom and kitchen in our case, and by selecting the right air conditioning capacity, like 1.0, 1.5, or 2 horsepower, we avoid energy waste and maintain a comfortable environment. We also apply passive strategy. For our case study, we are using cross ventilation and thermal mesh, which help reduce the reliance on active system. Okay, more importantly, this project taught us the sustainability design is not just about saving energy. It about create smarter, healthier for home and future. It has opened our eyes to impact the every design and how engineers like us play a role in building a better green world. Okay, I think that's all from me. Thank you.